Hi, good morning. How are you? Today's Saturday. Yesterday felt like Saturday, but today's actually Saturday. And I'm in my new house again, and I wanted to show you. I had a couple people tell me, I want to see a before and an after for my remodel. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. The remodeler just came by and she took measurements. So this is a very turnkey house. It's real clean, and I've been with my hot rag. But you got like the nice wood cabinets, and I've been cleaning them a little, but really there's a lot to do. I just pretty much clean the inside so I could put some stuff away. My natural soaps, of course. And this needs like a screen on it, and then I love the wood, and everything gets cleaned, of course, me. So all these cabinets are gonna stay in the house because they're all wood, and I could just like clean them and shine them up. I don't even want to refinish them because they're just really perfect. And I'm not that much of a perfectionist. And all the blinds are perfect. We've got all beautiful blinds with valances. So just so you know, these counters, I'm going to pick them right now. They're either going to be quartz or granite. And because the floors are so busy, my mom and I were looking at the swatches, and we're thinking maybe just something kind of solid, like a white, an off-white or something. And yeah, so the appliances in this house are mega. Like that stove is gorgeous, that microwave is gorgeous, this dishwasher is like brand new. Everything's brand new. You should see the washer dryer. I'll show you another time. You should see the AC unit. It's like massive. So yeah, I'm going to be doing picking the swatches right now for that. And let me show you the bathroom, and also on the way over, I'm going to be painting a few of these walls. They need some care. Most of the walls are just clean and perfect. So look at this big bathroom. This is a guest bathroom, literally, and it's huge. I'm going to be doing tile, a bathtub, and it's probably going to be white because these floors are a little too busy for anything really major. So I'm going to be replacing these counters, and I'm going to match the 2 bathroom counters with another material that I'll be picking out today. And those are going to be white, like white large tiles in the bathtub. So yeah, I'm thinking something not too busy again because the floors are already busy. Something neutral. Look at that big mirror. And she's basically going to cut it off right here because that's crammed. And then she's going to take that and patch that wall. Okay, so let's go. So I won't show you too much about the bedrooms yet because I'm not really doing that much to them, but we'll get there. So this is a massive bathroom also. This is the master bath, and this room is nice and big actually. Has 2 closets. So I will be putting closet doors for sure. So this one is going to be also granite, and I'm not sure if I'm going quartz or granite in the kitchen. So the 2 bathrooms are going to match. It has a built-in vanity. I love it because the toilets match, and you gotta love this. It's like a little bidet thing, and it squirts out kind of hard. Let me see. Whoa! Man, if you're not clean after that, then I don't know what is. I love the bathrooms because they have windows. So yes, the remodeler was in here if you came in late, and I just want to show you that this is going to be a jacuzzi tub, and I love those tiles. Those tiles going to stay, the little tile shelf. And yeah, it's going to have, everything in this bathroom is going to be in that bathroom, the same wall tiles in the bathtub. It's going to have a jacuzzi tub, the other one's going to have a regular tub. And then that granite right there. So that's not even that big. That's a really nice size sink though. but that's not really too big. It shouldn't be, I mean, I don't know, it shouldn't be too expensive to do this bathroom, just that granite right there. Oh, and also every room is gonna have a backsplash. So exactly where you see it. And the same, the backsplash there. And, oh, I'll show you this room really quick. It's too dark to show you another closet door. They reconstructed the closet here for us, the cellar. And the same with here. All brand new. And they need to remove that tape. But anything acoustic, like popcornish, gets removed from the house. Also, yeah, so, you know, they're going to start. So, I measured that curtain and this backsplash in the kitchen. Like I said, I don't know whether I'm going quartz or granite. So, the backsplash, she said she's going to build it real high and it's going to be all matching. So it'll either be quartz or granite. If you have any suggestions, now that you've seen these colors, put it in there. I'll check the comments before I pick the final swatches, which I'm going to do right now. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. And yeah, the backsplash will go all the way around the kitchen. Look at this killer stove. I can't wait to show you all the stove's features, do the cooking show here. And yeah, I want to have a podcast in the living room. The living room's gorgeous. And I can't wait to show you the completed version. I know somebody that does lasers, and I'm thinking about decking out like some lasers. So yeah, I can't wait to show you the completed version of my remodel. And the floors literally are absolutely impeccable. They're immaculate. There's the way that they're structured up against the floorboards and the cabinets it's supreme. You know, just to have such perfect floors as a foundation and not have to actually replace floors is a major blessing to me. Oh. Yeah, and they're all smooth throughout the house, and no floorboards to have to walk over, you know. Okay, I don't know if the fireplace works yet, but these are gas burning logs. And that's the little thing that you would turn it if it has a key. So I'm gonna text the realtor, but the home inspector usually doesn't test a fireplace because it's kind of outside their spectrum. So there you have it. This chandelier will most likely be replaced, but right now I'll just clean it up. And look at these gorgeous, huge, tall ceilings. I can't wait to show you more and do some hose videos and gardening. There's a whole nother section to this. It's the front yard and the backyard. It's a clean slate. And you're not going to believe what I'm doing with it. So thank you guys. I love to see you in the comments. I'm glad that I was able to bring you over here today. And I'm glad that you stopped by. I love you. Thank you for following. Thank you for being here on my page, on my YouTube channel. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Mwah. Have a great day. And please share any comments that you have for remodeling. I'm always open to suggestions. Oh, and by the way, they're going to be covering like that phone outlet and then moving the granite around those other outlets. And I don't really have to do much. I'm going to have a grout cleaner come do the floors. So it's all creative from here. So the hardest part is over, getting the house. That was actually a breeze, just finding a house that I wanted. But yeah, I mentioned this again, but the curtain is, my mom and I are going to pick out, I measured it, we're going to pick out a really pretty curtain. And I love that rod. I love the fact that out of the whole house, the only thing, and dust is going to get everywhere when they come in here, so. But the only thing we have to do as far as window treatments is one curtain. So that's awesome. All right, well, we love you, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.